Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and today I want to show you this code that I made, and you can download it in the link in the description, which I will put my GitHub. So the GitHub link here, and you want to go to the link is going to be like here, contact keeper, and it's going to be here. So you just clone or download, or if you want you can just go here and raw, and then you can just Control A, Control C, and yeah, copy it. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description to the GitHub. So let's just run the code to see what it does. So it's a contact keeper, so to keep in contact with your friends, and documents, code C, Python C. There you go. So it tells you hello, it welcomes you. So welcome to the Keep in Contacts program. This program will help you keep in contact with everybody around you. So add a name. Let's say Joe. Add an age 24. Add their gender, male. Add their email. That's joe@hotmail.com. Add their phone number, random phone number. Yeah. So yeah, this is all fake data. You can't say shut up. Okay, do you have more contacts? You say no. Added your one contact to a file named contactsheet.txt. So let's go look at the file that they added it to. Contactsheet.txt, and we can see that it is here, and it added all of our data into a file. So now you can save that file, or it's already saved right here into contactsheet.txt. And then you can add more. So maybe we can run it again. And let's say Alex, and then he's 43, and he's male. Alex@yahoo.com. Add their phone number, random phone number, of course. Do you have any more contacts? Yes. And then you do the thing again. Write some random stuff here. Do you have any more contacts? And then here you can put whatever you want, and then it tells you, sorry, I couldn't understand, so I have to put yes or no. So no, we don't have any more contacts. So I added your two contacts to a file named contact sheet. So we can see now it did add them, Joe, Alex, and this random name here. So yeah, it works. So I'm just gonna delete this file, and let's look at the code. So let's look at the code. Alright, let's start. So here we're printing out to the screen, hello and welcome. Okay, and here we are assigning initializing the variable number of contacts. So yeah, we're gonna track how many contacts they have. So now this contact info is a dictionary, which has these keys, which is name, age, gender, email, and phone, which is what they'll have to fill out, and the values are none for all of them, because what the user is going to fill out is going to be replacing the none. So here we have this main function, which most of the things went into, so because we don't want to repeat the same code over and over again. So when we ask them for if they have any more contacts, we're going to run the main function again. So we're telling it here that we're using the variable num contacts from the global scope. The global scope is outside the function, so num contacts, we're using this one. If you don't put it, it's going to give you an error. So we increment it by 1. So we say, okay, they added one more contact, and then we ask for a name, an age, a gender, an email, and a phone number. And now we assign those variables to the values of the key's name. So we say value of the key name, so value of the key name, which is none right now, is equal to name. So we're replacing it by name, and do the same thing for the age, gender, email, and phone number. And now this thing called clean info, which is a string of the contact info, okay? And we're replacing the brackets by spaces, the curly brackets by spaces, and we're also replacing the quotes by spaces. because we don't want the user to see that, so they get confused. So we just make it like for normal users, not programmers. So now that's clean info. So now we open contact sheet.txt, and that, if it doesn't already exist, it's going to create one for you. And we use A and not W because A is to append, so it doesn't delete anything that was inside. So, but if you put W, it deletes everything that was inside and it adds stuff. But this one just adds. So we open it as a contact file, so we can refer to it later. And so we say contact file.write clean info. So we add the clean info. And then we add 2 empty lines. And then we ask if they have more contacts. And if they didn't answer yes or no, then you print I couldn't understand, and you ask them again. But if they answered yes, and this code is being run from the main from the same file. So what this code does, it asks for the name, and if it's being run from main, which main is this file, which means like normally everybody can run everybody runs their files from the same file. But what I mean is that, let's say you want a new document. Oh, here you go. And you can actually import. So let me just test.py. Okay, test.py. Save this, place it, and you can actually import this file. So from keep in contact, import all, and there you go. You got it now. So now you can just do main, and it won't run, and nothing will run because this if statement is going to be false. So you can still run it from the same file. But here, let's just keep in contact. From keep in contact, import all as, we'll just say KIN or KIC. Yeah, KIC dot main. Okay, just do this. Keep in contact. Import keep in contact as KIC. Alright, so let's just run that code and we'll see that nothing will happen. So Python 3 test. Oops. Test.py. And you see that here we can see that when we ran the main, it ran the first time because we're running it explicitly. Okay, so we're running it explicitly, so it's not asking for this. It's not asking this if statement here. It's just going in and running this. So you can see that it's a bit glitchy here. It just added your 0 contacts, so that doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I'm just gonna delete this now. Okay, so let's get back to the code. So if it is run from the same file, run main, and then we do the same thing here. So it runs main, and then there's a loop here. If they say yes, they have more contacts, there's a loop, and it runs main again. And at the end of the function here, you say added your num contacts, so number of contacts. So you say you have 0 contacts, to a file named contact sheet.txt. This is the code. If you want to download it, go to the GitHub link in the description. And I just realized my face cam lagged. I didn't even notice. Okay, so apparently my face cam doesn't work anymore, but that's fine, I guess. If you want to download the file, click on the link in the description from the GitHub link, and yeah, that basically works. And I also have a PayPal in the link in the description. If you want to support me, please support me. Yeah. Also, you can check out my other videos. Please like, subscribe, turn on notifications. And I have other playlists, so if you want to learn Python, I have a place for that. I'm also doing more videos soon. A lot of videos to come of my programming ideas, so stay tuned for those. All right.